Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everybody. Today, inshallah, we're going to talk about the grammar of lesson 4C. 4C. Yes, comparative forms. Comparative forms. Comparative means to compare between two things or two people. This is a comparative. To see the similarities or differences between two things or two persons. Yeah. So we need, if you want to compare between two things, we need an adjective. We need an adjective like small, nice, big, funny, colorful, good, bad. These are adjectives. So we have to get an adjective to compare between two things or two persons. Look here, small, small. My room is small, and my brother's room is also small. But which room is smaller? Which room is smaller? Your room or your brother's room? Here you compare between two rooms. So I say my room is smaller than my brother's room. My room is smaller than. Here we add er. We add er to the adjective smaller than. Here nice. Nice. It is an adjective. You want to compare between two things? You say nicer. Nicer. Yeah, we add R. Why? Because the adjective ends with E. So, if it ends with E, we add only R. Nicer than. Nicer than. Yes. For example, Ali is a nice boy. Ahmed is a nice boy. But Ali is nicer than Ahmed. So, we add R. Big and bigger. Big is an adjective. And look here. Look, yes, we have letter B is a consonant letter I vowel, and letter G consonant. So here, when we have consonant, vowel, then consonant, we have to double the last letter, double G, bigger than, like hot, hotter than. We double the last letter. Yes, funny, funny. What is the last letter here? Letter Y, like happy, like happy. If the adjective ends with letter Y and it has only one syllable, we have to change letter Y into letter I. Funnier than, happier than, we add I and then ER. Okay, colorful, colorful. If you put your hand under your chin and pronounce or say this word, you note something that you open your mouth twice. Colorful, colorful. So it has two syllables, but small, nice, big, funny, happy. It is only one syllable. So we add er. But colorful, two syllables. So can I say colorfuler? Colorfuler? No, it's wrong. Okay, here we add more before the adjectives. We add more before the adjectives. more colorful, more colorful. For example, barracudas are more colorful than sharks, more colorful. Like beautiful, beautiful. We open our mouth 3 times, so it has 3 syllables. So I say more beautiful than. Dangerous, beautiful, important, famous, interesting. All these are adjectives that have more than 1 syllable. So we have to put more before the adjective, and after the adjective we add than. There are also some irregular adjectives. Irregular adjectives like good, bad, much, and many. Yeah, good here. If you want to compare between two things, you say, can you say gooder? Can I say gooder? Ahmed is gooder than Ali at arts? No, it's wrong. It's not correct. We have, if the adjective is good, it will be better, better than, better than. Okay? Ahmed is better than Ali at English. Bad, worse. Bad, worse. Yeah, the opposite of good is bad. And if you compare between two, you have to say worse. To say worse. Ahmed is worse than Ali at arts. Much and many, much and many, when you compare between two, it will be more. It will be more. For example, Ali has many books, and Ahmed has also many books. But Ali has more books than Ahmed. Ali has more books than Ahmed. And you have to note that after more, more books, more money, more time. Here, the word that comes after more are nouns, not adjectives. Here, with much and money, the words which comes after more are nouns. Okay, يبقى comparative adjective plus er, we add er, like John is older than Peter. If the adjective has more than 1 syllable, like expensive, we put more before the adjective, more expensive than. My watch is more expensive than Dan's. Okay, this is about comparative. Okay, طب here if you compare between more than two things, we add to the adjective est. Est. John is the tallest boy in the class. I compare between John and the class, not between John and another person. No, between John and a class, and the class has more pupils. So here I add est to the adjective, the tallest boy, the tallest boy in the class. Okay, we add est and we put the before the adjective. But if the adjective has more than 1 syllable, like expensive, expensive, 3 syllables, can I add est? No. Yes, very good. We put the most before the adjective. This watch is the most expensive of all. This watch is the most expensive of all. We have more than two watches? maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, and would like to compare between one of these watch and the others. So I say this watch is more expensive than, this watch is the most expensive of all. If I compare between two, I say more. This watch is more expensive, than that watch. But if I compare between more than two, I say this watch is the most expensive of all. Okay. Also here we talked about these adjectives: good, better, between two, better, more than two, the best. The best. Ahmed is the best student in the class. Messi is the best player in the world. Bad, worse, the worst. Many or much, more, and the most, and the most. Okay, here complete the sentences with the comparative form of the adjectives in brackets. Bill is than his brother Adam. Here we compare between Bill and his brother Adam, between two persons. So we add er. Good, taller than. I like Beth's room because it's big than my room. Here, yes, compare between my room and Beth's room. So between two rooms, we add er. But big, look at big. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Yes, very good. We have to double the last letter, double G. Bigger than. My sister is lazy than me. She doesn't do any housework. Yes, we compare between two persons, my sister and me. So lazy, the last letter is letter Y, and it's one syllable. So we have to change letter Y into I. Lazier than. Good. Tigers are beautiful than lions. What is the adjective beautiful? Does it have one syllable or more than one syllable? Yes, beautiful, 3 syllables. So can we add er? No. What comes before beautiful? More beautiful than. Very good. Kelly is bad than Lana at art. We compare between Kelly and Lana, between two persons. And here, bad is an irregular adjective. It has a special case. Special case. So here, Kelly is worse than. I think skiing is dangerous than water skiing. We compare between skiing and water skiing. Dangerous is, yes, it has more than one syllable. Dangerous, 3 syllables. So we add more dangerous than water skiing. More dangerous than water skiing. Finally, I hope that you have understood this grammatical rule, comparative and superlative. Inshallah, it will become easy for you if you practice more and more. And finally, I'd like to thank you for watching me. Goodbye, my friends.